how to add on Telegram or how to add a new contact on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add a new contact on Telegram. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you quick with this video. First things first, you want to open up your Telegram application and you want to make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you should get an interface somewhat like this. In order to add a new contact, what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular icon, the pencil icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you can see the camera icon and the pencil icon. You want to tap on that pencil icon there. Once you tap on it, you can see new group, new secret chat option on the screen, but there you can see the plus icon again with the friend plus icon. You want to tap on it and it'll ask you to enter in your contact details. You want to simply enter in your contact's first name and last name there, and then enter in their phone number. You can tap on that country code and you can select the country code again, and once you tap on the flag, and you can go ahead and add them. So this way you can easily add a new contact on Telegram or add on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.